welcome back to my video, and I will talking about Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was born on January 4th, 1643 in Woolsthorpe, a small village in Lincolnshire, England. His birth was premature, and he was so tiny and weak that few expected him to survive. Newton's father had died 3 months before his birth, and when his mother remarried, young Isaac was left in the care of his grandmother. This early separation deeply affected him, shaping his later personality into one marked by introversion and intense dedication to study. At the age of 12, Newton attended the King's School in Grantham, where he first showed a strong interest in mathematics and mechanics. In 1661, he entered Trinity College, Cambridge, where he studied classical subjects but soon became fascinated with mathematics, astronomy, and natural philosophy. The outbreak of the Great Pillage of London in 1665 forced the university to close, and Newton returned to Woolsthorpe. These 2 years, often called Newton's Annus Mirabilis, miraculous years, were the most productive of his life. During his time away from Cambridge, Newton laid the foundations for some of his greatest achievements. He developed the theory of calculus, a revolutionary mathematical method for describing change and motion. He also began formulating the laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. It was in these years, as legend has it, that an apple falling from a tree inspired him to consider why objects fall toward the earth, eventually leading to his theory of gravity. Newton returned to Cambridge in 1667, where he was elected a Fellow of Trinity College. In 1669, he became the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics, one of the most prestigious academic chairs in the world. His early lectures focused on optics, and he quickly made groundbreaking discoveries. Newton demonstrated that white light was composed of a spectrum of colors, which could be separated with a prism. This discovery contradicted the prevailing belief that white light was pure and unchangeable. 1687, Newton published his masterpiece, De Solutione Naturalis Principia Mathematica. This monumental work outlined his 3 laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. These principles not only explain the motion of falling objects on Earth, but also of the movement of celestial bodies, unifying terrestrial and cosmic phenomena under a single theory. The Principia became the foundation of classical physics for over 2 centuries. Isaac Newton died on March 31st, 1727, at the age of 84, and was buried with great honor in Westminster Abbey. His legacy is immense. He laid the foundation for modern physics, revolutionized mathematics, and profoundly influenced philosophy and the scientific method. Albert Einstein, centuries later, described Newton's Principia as perhaps the greatest intellectual. Thank you.